Hello, fellow boat owners. Today I want to share our personal experience of selecting the flooring for our yacht. In this video, I will showcase the advantages and disadvantages of each product based on our research. Like many of you, I was unsure whether to choose the classic appeal of teak wood, synthetic teak, or modern EVA foam. Join me as I navigate through this decision, from comparison to final choice. At the end of the video, I'll reveal the transformation 3 months post-voyage and how our chosen deck stands the test of time and elements. The charm of natural teak wood flooring was undeniable. Its rich color, unique grain, and natural feel underfoot spoke of age-old maritime tradition. But it is the most expensive and high maintenance. It requires weekly washing and cleaning. If you don't do it frequently, it will soon go gray and dirty. Constantly look out for caulking and teak plugs that are coming loose and replace them. Also, it is tough to remove any oil stains, including sunscreen. The next one was a synthetic teak product called Flexiteek. It is a bit cheaper than teak and low maintenance. We were very interested and requested a sample from them, but the rep never responded. I was pretty disappointed. Furthermore, we discovered that you will have to remove all hardware pieces on the floor to install Flexiteek, which is not what we would like to do. So, we moved on to the final and cheapest option, the EVA Foam. Several companies manufacture EVA foam decks, such as SeaDek, Aquadeck, and Deckit. You can even purchase them from online retailers like Amazon. The biggest difference? The quality and thickness. The inexpensive one lasts about a couple of years, while the higher quality one lasts 7 or more years. After extensive research and evaluation, we ultimately selected SeaDek as our preferred choice. We were highly impressed with their quick response time as they replied to our email within an hour. Fortunately, we discovered that Next Level, a SeaDek certified installer showroom, was situated nearby, so we scheduled a visit to inspect the product samples. We were impressed by the wide range of colors, textures, densities, and custom design options available, with thicknesses that varied from 5 to 23 millimeters, 0.2 to 0.9 inches. After reading several online reviews that warned about lighter colors showing dirt easily, we decided to choose a deeper shade, a combination of cappuccino and black, that was 8 millimeters, 0.32 inches thick. Let's discuss our decision to choose EVA foam from SeaDek for our vessel. Low maintenance and long-lasting lifespan were our priorities. From fishing boats to luxury yachts, SeaDek's versatility and benefits shine through in countless success stories. It offers a soft yet grippy surface that ensures safety and comfort even in harsh marine conditions. Its advanced materials are resistant to fading, staining, and deterioration, and it doesn't absorb water or moisture, making it a smart investment for the long run. At the conclusion of this video, I'll share the detailed breakdown of the pricing for our 36-foot vessel. You can install SeaDek on your boat yourself or have certified professionals do it. However, we thought it's better and faster to let the experts handle it. Each boat is different, and the pros at Next Level take a super accurate digital pattern of the space and create CAD drawings where the SeaDek will go. This way, it fits perfectly like a puzzle piece. The quality of installation is very important, so it lasts a long time. You've got to clean the boat really well the day before install the SeaDek on, because any little bit of dirt can compromise the efficacy of the 3M adhesive. SeaDek recommended that the best time to install is when it's within the optimal temperature range of 60 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Our installation occurred slightly below in the shaded conditions. The installers used the heat gun to heat the flooring and the SeaDek to make it stick just right. The total installation time took about 3.5 hours. It was longer than usual because we had to spend extra time heating up the deck and the material. SeaDek recommended waiting 72 hours after installation before taking the boat out on the water. We absolutely love the look of it. Not only is it cushy and comfortable to walk on barefoot, but it also adds a luxurious touch to our yacht. The main cost for materials was $5,212. Choosing a custom color added a couple of weeks longer to get it. Next Level charged us a $250 fee to come out to our location. After adding the tax, the total cost for our 36-foot yacht was $5,800. 3 months in, and our deck remains as pristine as it was on day one. The upkeep has been a breeze. Just a quick soapy wash is all it takes to keep it looking fresh. We couldn't be happier with our choice. I hope our experience helps you navigate your own. Here's to smooth sailing and perfect decks. See you next time.